So this here is the brand new TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. It is the updated version of the incredible TicWatch Pro from Mobvoi, and it now features 4G LTE connectivity. So how does this new standalone smartwatch stack up? Well, I've actually had the chance to play with this thing for a few weeks now, and here's some first impressions. What is up, my friends? It's Vacca here, and thanks to Mobvoi, today I would like to show you guys the brand new, just released TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. Get hyped and get excited! Now, this 4G version of the TicWatch Pro is an upgrade to the incredible TicWatch Pro that launched last year. Unfortunately, I never had the chance to give that watch a try, but everything I heard about from friends and fellow YouTubers was just glowingly positive. And having been using this new 4G variant exclusively for a few weeks now, I can see exactly why that is. The TicWatch Pro 4G is a classy, high-end smartwatch that not only looks and feels good on the wrist, but also impresses in performance. The combination of Google's WearOS with 1 gig of RAM and a Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor just make for an incredibly fluid user experience. As a longtime Apple Watch user, like I'm talking 3 straight years of wearing one daily, I'm not even kidding you guys, I was kind of afraid of losing that excellent fluid user experience found on the Apple Watch. But surprisingly enough, making the jump to the TicWatch Pro 4G was not an issue at all. The icing on the cake for me was finding out that this works great with my iPhone XS. I'm so used to getting text and emails and notifications right on my wrist, and I can continue to do just that, which is really great. However, the game changer here is that the TicWatch Pro 4G introduces cellular connectivity from Verizon, so that means that this watch is more than capable of standing on its own 2 feet without a phone. I mean, you even have access to the Google Play Store right on your wrist to download apps and stuff. It's pretty neat. I'll be talking more about the 4G features in my full review that's coming soon, because even though I had this watch super early, like weeks in advance, the LTE channel hasn't been activated yet, so we're going to be holding off on that part for a bit, and we're just going to be chatting about my experience with the watch itself. So my time with the TicWatch Pro 4G has been nothing short of amazing, and transitioning into this away from my Apple Watch has been seamless. It's been more seamless than I ever thought it would be. Am I saying that because Mobvoi sent me the watch? Nope, I'm saying that because this is a genuinely fantastic product, and I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys here on my channel if I didn't stand behind it. Like, that's what I do here on the channel. I share cool things that I think you guys will enjoy, and this is one of those things. The Pro 4G is fast and fluid browsing through menus, apps, and the Google Play Store. Battery life is off the charts, rated at 2 to 30 days thanks to Mobvoi's Essential Mode, which I'll talk about more in a second. There's NFC support for making payments with Google Pay, and baked inside are a variety of fitness tools such as consistent motion tracking with TicMotion 2.0, 24-hour heart monitoring, IP68 waterproofing with swim support so you can swim with this thing and track your swims, and just so much more. I think it's safe for me to say, from a feature standpoint, this watch is a steal of a deal for what you're getting for under $300. There's so much tech packed into this little watch. What really makes this TicWatch Pro 4G special though, and this is my personal favorite feature of this watch, is the dual layer display. This is what gives this watch an edge over so many others out there, because it's actually kind of revolutionary. You never hear stuff like this. The display in the TicWatch Pro 4G isn't just a single 45mm display. Instead, it's actually 2 displays layered on top of each other. On the top is a low-powered LCD that allows you to view the time, the date, your steps, and current battery life all at a glance, and underneath you have a 400 by 400 OLED panel where you get access to all your smart functions. This is how Mobvoi is able to achieve days to weeks of battery life. You put the watch into Essential Mode and eliminate all the smart functions, and you basically turn it into a digital watch where the battery seemingly lasts forever. And not to mention, you can actually view this screen, the LCD screen, no problem in bright and sunny weather. So if you're out and about, if you're on a run, you can just flick your wrist up and just check the time, check your steps, and you're good to go. Like, man, we were spoiled back in the day by having like years of battery life on watches, and it's nice to see like those retro features making a comeback, because seeing everything at a glance, honestly, is just really all you need on a watch, and this one just does it perfectly. Alrighty guys, so with that being said, there are my first impressions of the brand new TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. You guys know I don't talk about products in my videos if I don't stand behind them, if I don't like them, and this watch really impressed me, and I think you guys will enjoy it too. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel, and you know, look forward to my full review of this TicWatch Pro 4G LTE coming soon, and until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!